Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So today I am just gonna show you how I decorated our front door entrance with free plants that I already have. So most of the plants in here I growed from seeds, especially the snapdragons and the petunias, the calla lilies, or I usually pulled it in the winter time, save the bulbs and winterize it in the basement. So let's start it from here. So this is the snapdragon that I grow from seeds. So I have two planters in a black container, and it just started to bloom, and I really like the color of this snapdragon. So it will be a mixed color, and the smell of this flower is amazing. So on the other side is the same color that come out, and give it a week or two, they will be in full bloom. So now let's take a look at the petunia. Okay, so the petunia, I usually planted a solid color of pink, but I mistakenly swapped the seeds that I have. So now I planted the mixed color, but it's okay, it's beautiful as well. So now this season I'm not gonna have a solid color of pink petunia. It's gonna be all mixed. So it's looking nicely. It just started to bloom as well. And then on the other side of it I have the calla lily, which is just finished blooming, and I can show you one of the flower of the calla lily, but this is already a spent flower. I have to pull that soon. All the calla lily has just finished their blooms, but they are looking beautiful here in the garden. Oh, sorry. On the front door entrance. So in here I have the geranium. So that geranium, so what I do in the fall, I take it out from the pot and clean it, let it dry a little bit, and then store it in the basement. Just make sure that when you store it, make sure it's dry. And then by spring comes, then you just have to plant it again in a pot. So I have two daylily both side right there, and then on the top there's two not daylily, calla lily. I am sorry. So in both side on the top I have the calla lily as well, and then I have placed two petunias both side. So the petunia is doing so well. It has a very red velvety color, and it's very compact. And so I did the same thing on this side in here. So the snapdragon and the petunia are smell so amazing. So as soon as you come to the stairways going to the front door entrance, you will smell a very nice scent from the petunia and snapdragon. I really like the way it looks like. So not too many colors, just only few, and the combination of the green, and it doesn't cost me nothing. But it takes a lot of patience to grow from seeds. And I am so happy to have all of them here in the front door entrance. So that's all for today. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.